Hello and welcome students. Today we are going to do the third module of Microsoft Excel, and the title of this assignment is Scrub J Peripherals, Performing Calculations with Formula and Functions. It is the Excel Module 3 SAM Project 1A in the course 365/21. Let me know if you want me to do this assignment or the complete course of Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Statistics, Business Analytics, or Finance related projects. So do text me if you need any sort of help. You just need to send me the files over the email or over the WhatsApp, which is shown at the top of the screen. And I will complete the assignment and send it back to you. Then you can just submit it and get it graded. So let's get started with it. The first step is Delinero Lalan is an entrepreneur planning to manufacture and market an innovative handheld controller for virtual reality gaming. Danilo is building a business plan as he recruits investors and plans logistics for the launch of new company. Scrub J Peripherals and wants to use Excel to summarize the create projects. Okay, so basically we have got an idea that what our role is. So switch to the sales projection worksheet. Okay, this is the sales projection worksheet. Use the values in the range B6 to C6 to extend the incremented percentage to the range D6 to H6. Select these two, and after that point your mouse at the bottom of this cell C6 and stretch it up to H6. That's it. So you can see it has been incremented with a 5%, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Moving to step number 2, use the values in the range A7 to A8 to extend the list of years to the range A9 to A11. Again, select this and stretch it up to A11. Now you can see year has been incremented. Use autofill to fill the range A9 to H11 with the formatting from the range A7 to H8. So A7 to H8, and we are going to autofill it to A9 to H11 by this, and we are only going to continue with formatting on. That's it. Moving to step number 4, that is in cell B8, create a formula without using a function that multiplies the values in B7 by B6. So basically we are going to put a formula in B8. The formula would be B7 into B6. This should be multiplied. Put an equal sign. B7 multiplied by B6, and then it says we're going to add the value to B7. Press B7. In the formula, use a mixed reference for the cell B6 by including an absolute reference to row 6. So this is row 6. We are going to absolute this row. Okay. So for this, we to insert the dollar sign before the row number. So now the row 6 is you can say fixed. Whenever you are going to copy this formula, so 6 will not change, rest all will change. Okay. Copy the formula from B8 to the range B9 to B11. copy it, and to the range B9 to B11 with the formula. And now, and then copy the formula from the range B8 to B11. So now we are going to copy this B8 to B11 and to the range C8 to H11. So now copy it and paste it in the range of the formulas. That's it. Moving to the next step, that is step number 5, that is switch to the cost estimates worksheet. Cost estimates worksheet. In cell A9, create a formula using average function, and the range that we are going to average, that is A5 to A7. In A9 we are going to put, you can see right there is an average, so we are going to put an average function, and the range that we are going to average, that is this one, A5 to A7. That's it. And it says then copy the formula to cell D9. Copy it and paste the formula. That's it. Step number 6 is in cell A10, create a formula using the maximum function that identifies the maximum value in the range A5 to A7. Then copy your formula to the cell D10. Again, you can see this is a max, and we have to find out the max out of those three. Now select the range from where you want to find the max, and obviously these are three entries, so you can find it easily that 31 is the maximum. But whenever you are going, this formula will help you whenever you are having a large data sets where you have to find the maximum. Definitely it will work around for you. You cannot scroll through each row and watch for those. Now copy it and paste the formula. Moving next to step number 7, that is in cell A11, create a formula using minimum function that identifies the minimum value in the range A5 to A7, and copy the formula to cell D11. This one is minimum. Again, select the range, close it. Now copy it and paste it. So when you copy the formula to other cell, that is D11, you can see the formula is the same, but the cell references are changed with respect to this. You can see. Step number 8 is in cell B13, create a formula using VLOOKUP function to look up the value from the range A11 in the range A5 to B7. Okay. So B13, we're going to put the formula, that is VLOOKUP, and the first thing that we're going to find, that is, let me do it this way, VLOOKUP, and the first thing that we're going to find, that is A11. So you can see the lookup text it's asking, so we're going to say that okay, we want A11, we want 26.80. okay, and the lookup array, that is A5 to B7. So this is A5 to B7. So we are asking Excel to find the value, this, okay, 26.80 from the range that we have specified. Now next is the column index number. So this is the first column, this is the second column. So we are asking Excel to, okay, find me this value, okay, from this range, and I want from column 2, and returns the value in column 2 and specify an exact match. And this is column 2, and now we have two options. Okay, if that was not what you can say listed in this one, like let's say it was 25, so we would have selected the approximate match, so it would have matched the least what you can say the maximum possible limit, or you can say the nearest one it would have shown us. But since we have this value, so we will go for the exact match. That's it. So now you see when we were finding this one, okay, 11 we were finding 26.80, and A11 in this one is vendor 2. Okay, 26.80 is vendor 2, so it has returned us the value of that particular vendor. Now it says copy the formula to cell E13. Again I'm copying it and pasting with the formulas. So in this one, if you see, they are finding D11, so D11 is this one 5.83, and 5.83 is the shipper 3, so it has returned us the value. I hope you got it. Moving to step number 9, that is switch to profit projections worksheet. This is the profit projection worksheet. In cell H5, use the today function to insert the current date. So this is H5. We want to put a function today, and Excel will return us the current date. That's it. So we have completed 9 steps. I think that's it for this video. I have covered almost 70% of the assignment. Let me know if you want me to do the next part of it. I will definitely do it. And if you want me to do this assignment for you, feel free to text me on the WhatsApp. You just need to send me the files over the WhatsApp or over the email, and I will complete the assignment, send it back to you, and then you can just submit it and get recorded. So it's a very economical service in terms of price. You can text me round the clock. Do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.